Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, life happens, work changes, even like the kids get sick. So sometimes you just cannot train, something happens. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Because in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually change the training days in Runna app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, you can move individual workouts without changing your whole plan. Just by opening your device, making sure you are fully connected to the internet to go all the way and tap on Runna app. Also make sure you are using the latest updates so we can basically get over any problems here. All we're gonna do now is tap on the plan here. Tap on the plan, then basically in your calendar itself, drag and drop any workouts to a different day. You will be able to see all of your workouts, all of your info here, so don't even worry about that. We recommend spacing workouts for like maximum recovery. I would give it like 1 to 2 days max. Then change your long run day. If you want a permanent schedule change, we can also go to Plan tab, Manage Plan, Available Days or even Long Run Day. Then select your new preferred long run day. Runna will automatically adjust the rest of your week around it. As for an important restriction, you cannot swap entire weeks around and even the workouts can only be moved 1 week forward or backward to protect your training progression. So after rearranging, resync rewatch to update the full workout. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.